Today we are at Madras Maple Cafe, a very good East Indian cuisine place here in our city.
I've been waiting 2 weeks to do this, so totally stoked about it. Can't wait to see what they have in store for us.
We have Sophia here with us. Are you excited about this show?
Yeah, I'm excited. Looking forward.
Very excited. It's time to start the show.
This is my first time in front of camera, so it was good.
You're gonna be a famous actress.
Nervous?
You're nervous. You didn't seem nervous at all.
But I was nervous, but now I'm comfortable with you guys.
Oh, okay, perfect.
You're so friendly.
Thank you very much. Chef, how are you?
Good.
How was your experience?
I had a great experience. Yes. Great experience. Yeah.
Chef hired me, then fired me.
Sometimes we had to do that.
We got the buttered chicken. It actually does taste perfect.
Everything is so good in here. Always follow your passion, always follow your dream. We are always happy because we are doing what we love. Do what you love and watch our episodes coming out soon. Have a great day.